day 2. So this is our FOOOOODDD chicken. On it there is a mayonnaise sauce that tastes so delicious. Feel free to sample if you guys want. Yo. So I got the, what is it called? Sashimi. Oh, lunch sashimi. So there's 10 pieces of sashimi and then a Philly roll because I like cream cheese. Oh.
This rice is actually really good too.
Bro, it's like I don't know how it was better than the first time.
What, right now?
Yeah, it like melts in your mouth.
It's still like insanely hot. What? Is it annoying?
So good. Guys, it's almost 2:30. They close at 2:30. I don't even have to say anything. They know.
Thank you.